See this house right here on your screen? It's not that great, it's not that bad, but I was able to make $70,000 assigning the purchase contract. I didn't have to close on it. I sold the purchase contract, I wholesaled it, and I still have an equity position in this property, and I'm gonna make more money once it's done being flipped by the flipper. But I have zero risk in it with my money, pulled most of my money out already. So you might be thinking, wow, that's incredible, $70,000. And one question I always get from my students is, how much can I expect on a wholesale deal, and how much does it cost to be able to find a wholesale deal? So I hope you enjoy this content. We're going to go into the numbers and how much you can expect and how much you can expect to spend to make that money. Hope you enjoy the content. My name is Zack Booth, and I help people understand how to find discounted properties consistently to buy rentals, fix and flip opportunities, and wholesale. If you're trying to find more discounted properties, check out my free webinar. Go ahead and click on the link below. I'll see you there. I'm super excited to help you start finding massively discounted properties. So the first question that I always get is, how much does it cost to find a wholesale deal? So what I want you to do is do a little homework to figure this out. If you're already consistently finding deals, you can calculate these numbers yourself, right? But if you're just getting started and you're really confused on how much it costs and how much you're going to make per deal in your current market, is you need to look at what your after repair values are on your fixer-uppers. So let's say you're not doing any deals. What I want you to do is I want you to get on other wholesalers' cash buyers lists. It's very easy to do. Find out who's wholesaling in your market and ask to be added to their cash buyers list. A lot of times they have a secretary that can get your email and add you on. As you start to receive their deals, you'll be able to see the properties that they're sending out. Look them up on Zillow and see what they're worth. Once you get that total, right, of the Zillow value, what I want you to do is times that by 0.01. That's going to give you a 1% of the total value of the homes. That is what we're trying to do as a minimum of an average wholesale fee. If you're good, you can definitely increase that, okay? And then you might be wondering, how much does it cost to be able to do these wholesale deals? A good marketing channel for me is 25% of the wholesale fee, average wholesale fee, should be going towards marketing or less. So with my Driving for Dollars marketing system that I'm using in my market, it's about 15% of my gross revenue is going towards marketing. I'm testing some other channels that are anywhere from 30 to 20%, right? And the reason that's important is to have your your marketing cost be 25% of your gross income, is because in a wholesaling business, you want to make a profit. You want to be able to put money in your pocket and have your business serve you. So if you're spending more than 25% in marketing on your deals, that's not going to leave you a lot of room to hire an acquisition manager and a team to manage your business for you. So then you're going to be an employee and stuck in your business and constantly always having to chase every single deal yourself, or you're not going to make any money. So hopefully you found this tip helpful. Go out there in your own market and figure out what your average deal size can be and roughly what your average cost in marketing can be, and figure out how much money you can make. And it's a very simple equation. Hopefully you found this helpful, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Hey, just real quick before you go, check out the video of my mobile pawn shop, how I was able to generate $500 quickly and learn how to get that $500. I'm giving it away. Check out that YouTube video right here in this link. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.